Hi, I'm Andrew Chermark from Veridrive. Today, let's break down the basics of commercial auto insurance in just 60 seconds. Commercial auto insurance is essential for businesses that use vehicles for operations. It protects your company from financial losses due to accidents, theft, and damage involving your company vehicles. There are several key coverages. Liability covers bodily injury and property damage you're responsible for. Collision covers damage to your vehicles from accidents. Comprehensive covers non-collision related damage like theft or weather. Uninsured motorist covers accidents with uninsured drivers. Premiums depend on factors like vehicle type, usage, driver history, location, and coverage levels. Investing in driver training and safety programs can help reduce costs. Commercial auto insurance offers peace of mind, legal compliance, and financial protection, ensuring your business runs smoothly even when the unexpected happens. Visit veridriveins.com to learn more, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates. Drive smart, save big with Veridrive, your path to affordable commercial auto insurance.